Horst Dickert was an expert in almost every area of horticulture. He was legendary in his encyclopedic knowledge of plants, especially native plant material. His big claim to fame, Expo 67, this was the project that earned him the nickname Dynamite Dickert. Horst was brilliant and passionate, two qualities that made him a most memorable teacher. He loved sharing his knowledge at Landscape Ontario seminars, and he was instrumental in creating many of the industry's manuals and guidelines. In celebration of Horst's love of native plants and landscapes, we are excited to create this award in his honor. In 2011, I had the privilege of presenting the very first Horst Dickert Award, named in honor of one of our industry's pioneers and someone who I considered a personal friend and mentor. The Horst Dickert Award is a special one in that it honors an entry to the awards program that displayed the best use of native plant material in a sustainable landscape. This recognition is not given every year, but this year one project was deemed worthy. To the team at International Landscaping, it's my pleasure to announce that your project, Native Perennial Pollinator Garden, Theme Gardens category, is a recipient of the Landscape Ontario Horst Dickert Award. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Haig. It was exciting to be a part of a project that promotes sustainable initiatives and the use of native planting in the landscape.
We had a lot of fun working with our client on this project, developing this meadow-style garden, and the educational signage was a big part of it as well. That level of interaction, watching people interact with the garden, and we thank you so much for the award.